ECDL Advanced, Lesson 40, Scenario Summary Report. A scenario summary report is a report that lists all the scenarios created for a worksheet along with the result cells. The workbook scenario should still be open. If not, open it. And this time display the scenario manager. So again, it's data across the top, then what if analysis and scenario manager. And this time click the summary button. The result cell is in the total profit, which was G17. Click on the cell G17 and if necessary move the dialog box so that it's not over other parts of the worksheet. If we then click OK, the summary report is now displayed. The report shows the values of the changing cells and the results cell for each scenario. An outline view is provided, allowing certain rows and columns to be grouped or ungrouped. The outline can be manipulated to change the view of the data. Note that the report is created on a separate sheet which is called Scenario Summary, and this is within the current workbook. So down here you're going to see a worksheet entitled Scenario Summary. Okay, at that stage please save the workbook using the same name and then close it. Okay, that's the end of lesson 40. Your job now is going to be the revision exercise, which is lesson 41. Best of luck with that, and I look forward to seeing you next time when we're going to start section 2, which will be on the topic of linking and importing. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.